Alright guys, welcome back to Just Cook with Dustin. Last week I took you on a walkthrough of my local Japanese market, and this week I'm going to teach you how to make tonkatsu. Tonkatsu is a panko breaded pork tenderloin. This was the very first recipe that the Yamadas taught us how to make when we lived in Japan. If you're looking forward to learning how to make this recipe and many more Japanese recipes, please hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Learning to cook with the Yamadas and Yachio in Japan was so much fun. It was something we looked forward to every week. With the pork tenderloin, we want to make sure we remove all sinew, silver skin, and fat. After removing all these silver skin, sinew, and fat, we want to cut these down into 1.5 inch to 2 inch medallions. After cutting these down into 2 inch medallions, we're gonna smash them to make them half the size. Whoop! There it goes. Hey, they're slippery. Watch out. Hold it down. Smash it until it's about half the thickness. As you can see here, I'm using the flat side of the meat mallet. For the breading of these pork tenderloins, we're going to use all-purpose flour, eggs, and panko breadcrumbs. The all-purpose flour we're going to season with Japanese 7 spice, also known as togarashi. Nana togarashi. Nana is 7 in Japanese. Adding salt to your eggs helps break down the egg proteins, making for a smoother, more even coating. Japanese panko breadcrumbs are often considered the best in the world. There's no need to add any salt or seasoning to these. The breading process is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, we're going to put the pork cutlet into the seasoned flour, from the seasoned flour into the egg wash, and from the egg wash into the panko breadcrumbs. The key step here is to then let the pork cutlet set so that the coating can adhere to it. If you put it straight into the fryer, it's likely to blow off all of those breadcrumbs into the oil. We're going to use a shallow frying method. I have about 1/4 inch of oil in my cast iron skillet heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to let these cook for 5 to 7 minutes on each side. If they haven't browned evenly, rotate them as needed. After the cutlets have finished cooking, we will place them on a wire rack, allowing the excess oil to drip away. This will ensure that the breading stays crispy. After allowing the pork cutlets to rest for 1 to 2 minutes, we're going to cut them into slices before serving. Tonkatsu is traditionally served with tonkatsu sauce. This is often referred to as bulldog sauce because of the bulldog on the label, or Japanese Worcestershire sauce. With this, we will also have spicy hot Japanese mustard. Karashi is Japanese hot mustard. But be careful, because this stuff will clear out your sinuses just like wasabi, but it's so delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you're looking forward to learning more Japanese recipes, hit the subscribe button, and please share this video with your friends, and if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up there. We'll see you guys next week.